Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the job market by automating tasks that were traditionally performed by humans. While AI's impact will vary across industries, some jobs are more likely to be replaced or significantly altered first due to their repetitive, predictable nature. Here are some roles and tasks that AI is expected to impact first. Number 1. Data entry clerks. Why? Data entry involves repetitive tasks like inputting, updating, and managing data. AI can automate these processes with high accuracy and efficiency. Impact: reduced demand for manual data entry roles, as AI systems can handle large volumes of data quickly. Number 2. Telemarketers. Why? Telemarketing often involves repetitive calls and scripted conversations, tasks that can be automated using AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants. Impact: decreased need for human telemarketers, with AI handling initial customer interactions and responses. Number 3. Customer service representatives. Why? Many customer service interactions involve routine questions and issues that can be addressed by AI-driven chatbots and automated response systems. Impact: AI can handle common queries and support tasks, though human representatives will still be needed for complex issues and emotional support. Number 4. Retail cashiers. Why? Self-checkout systems and automated payment solutions are becoming more prevalent, reducing the need for human cashiers. Impact: a shift towards automated checkout systems with fewer human cashiers required. Number 5. Manufacturing workers. Why? Manufacturing involves repetitive and precise tasks that can be performed by robots and AI systems, such as assembly, inspection, and quality control. Impact: increased automation in production lines, potentially reducing the need for manual labor in manufacturing. Number 6. Transport and delivery drivers. Why? Autonomous vehicles and drones are being developed to handle tasks like driving and delivery, reducing the need for human drivers. Impact: potential reduction in demand for professional drivers, though full automation is still evolving. Number 7. Routine medical diagnostics. Why? AI can analyze medical images and data to detect patterns and anomalies with high precision, assisting in diagnostics. Impact: enhanced diagnostic capabilities and support for medical professionals, though human oversight will remain essential for interpretation and patient care. Number 8. Legal document review. Why? AI can analyze and review legal documents, contracts, and compliance paperwork, identifying key information and discrepancies more efficiently. Impact: automation of routine document review tasks, with legal professionals focusing on more complex legal issues and strategy. Number 9. Content moderation. Why? AI algorithms can monitor and filter online content, identifying inappropriate or harmful material more efficiently than manual review. Impact: reduced need for human moderators, with AI handling initial content screening and flagging. Number 10. Basic reporting and analysis. Why? AI can generate reports and perform data analysis by processing large data sets and identifying trends, reducing the need for manual reporting. Impact: streamlined reporting processes and data analysis, with humans focusing on interpreting results and making strategic decisions. Conclusion: while AI will replace certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities and roles. Workers will need to adapt by acquiring new skills and focusing on areas where human creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving are required. The transition will involve a shift in job roles and skills, emphasizing the need for continuous learning and adaptability in the evolving job market.